Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and it's called Parkinson's syndrome, which is defined as early onset genetic Parkinson's, which is part of the reason why I started the channel. I wanted to show just because you have challenges does not mean you need to give up what you know and love, and what I know and love is makeup. Another thing that I decided when planning the channel was that I was going to do a lot of giveaways so that way I could share the things that I love. So there is still time to put in for the benefit giveaway. I am giving 5 of these collections away. You get a full-size Professional primer, a full-size Bad Gal Bang mascara, a full-size highbrow, it's a highlighter you put under your brows, and a trial-size Go Go tint. It's right here, which is actually a pretty nice size of it, because it's a liquid. So you still have time to put in for that. Just find the video. It's a short video, like less than 5 minutes long. It'll tell you how to enter. Unfortunately, because of the shipping costs, there's a huge difference between the big box and the small box. I am not going to be including the tins, but you will get all 4 of these awesome products. So speaking of awesome products, I've been super excited for the release of this. I am going to be giving the Fenty concealer and Fenty setting powder a try today. So I'm going to apply it, see how it goes, give you the lowdown, the rundown of what it's about, and then I'll check in later to see if the claims hold true. So I already put on my foundation. It is the Fenty foundation. I only have a little trial size of it, and my shade is 170. I have really dry cheeks, so I don't use this very often, not enough to go out and get the full size of it, but because we're using Fenty products, I wanted to make sure I use the Fenty foundation. So let's start with the concealer. This is such nice packaging here. This is what the outer carton looks like. As usual, Fenty awesomeness. And the concealer comes in 50 shades and retails for $26. Now, the reason why I was super excited about this is because it is supposed to be crease proof. So we are going to try that out today. Let's take a look and see what they have to say about it. What it is, a creamy, long-wear, crease-proof liquid concealer with light as air, medium to full coverage that brightens under eyes and conceals blemishes and redness. This is the full coverage cure to living life to the fullest. This sweat-resistant formula comes in a groundbreaking range of 50 easy-to-shop, soft matte shades, each designed to pair with your Pro Filter foundation, sold separately shade. Start with your Pro Filter foundation shade and adjust from there. I went up just a little bit. I got 150 in the concealer, and it's a little light, so I probably would go with their recommendations, but that's okay. We'll see how it looks on the face. I just judged it by a swatch and went, whoo. But I do like having that lifting moment under my eyes. So let's try this out. It is smooth and creamy. The applicator is nice and soft. Now, you guys know I am teeny tiny, just starting, so I am not sponsored. Didn't get any PR. I mean, these are my honest views on it. Anything that I say is, you know, my honest views, and everything. I buy everything myself. I buy the products to review, the giveaways, everything. So even if I, you know, in the future do get PR or something, it's still, I will always be honest with you. Okay, this blends out beautifully. I really like it. Yeah, I did maybe go a little too light, but that's okay. I can always exchange it at Sephora if I don't like it being so light. It's one great thing about Sephora. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. So far, so good. Now let's go into the powder. The powder is gorgeous. Look at that container. Absolutely beautiful. I got the shade Butter. One thing that I really like about this, I was taking it out of the package, and they have a little stopper in there that when you're done with it and you're going to travel, you can put that right in there over the FB holes, and it will keep it from spilling all over the place. I love that. So let's take a look and see what they have to say about it. It comes in 8 shades. You get just about 1 ounce in there, and it retails for $32. My shade is Butter. A superfine, weightless, loose setting powder in 8 sheer shades to perfect and extend makeup wear for a filtered, photo-ready finish on lock. This silky loose powder works all day to reduce shine and blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections for a hyper smooth filter that won't flash back. That is really important. 8 versatile shades melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without caking or settling. All right, we're going to take this for a test drive and see what they say. So under my eyes, I am going to take a little bit on my beauty sponge and pat that on under my eyes. I don't really bake per se, but I do pat it on and then brush it off. I want to give this concealer every chance to work well. Put this in, or put this on, blot it in. You can get on my nose too. My nose gets oily. Ooh. Get my T-zone with my sponge. All right. Now you take a brush. Oh, I already got some on my shirt. Ah. Get some on my brush here and set my face. So I am going to check in with you guys over the course of the day, let you know how it wears. I really want to see if this is crease proof. I really hope it is. It doesn't have a bad smell. It doesn't have a very strong smell. I've been using the Huda Beauty one for so long, it's like I expected a strong smell, because that one has a very strong smell. Alright, let me smooth this out. Okay, so far I really like it. The powder is very silky. It's very nice. Let me put some on my finger and woo, it does get everywhere. It is very silky. I like it. Super soft, buttery powder. And does not look cakey at all. I really like that. Okay, guys. I will check back in with you later on and show you how this did. Fingers crossed, because I really love Fenty products, and I really want some crease proof concealer. Alright guys, I will see you in just a little bit. Hey guys, just me checking in. It's been a couple hours. Wanted to check in at the couple hour mark and take a look, see how we're doing under here. I think it might be a little too light for me, but I mean, that's operator error. That's not the, concealer itself. And it is looking good. It's looking really good. Okay, got a little mess up over here. Try to do that without messing with the concealer. That's just makeup right there too. Wow, I got that everywhere, didn't I? It is looking pretty good. It's settled into some fine lines, but I mean, I'm not 20 anymore, so I gotta say it's looking pretty good. All right, guys, I'll see you probably around the 5-hour mark is what I'm guessing. All right, see you in a bit. All right, guys, I'm back. It has been about 6 hours total, actually more closer to 7 hours total. I went, checked on some kitties, went to the grocery store, did some stuff around the house. If you hear that weird sound, those are sugar gliders. I am babysitting sugar gliders, and they crab is what they call it. So they are apparently not liking me talking right now, but shush. So anyway, last check-in of the day. I've been, like I said, about closer to 7 hours. And it is looking really good. Really good. The foundation did crease just a little bit in my fine lines underneath my eyes. But the powder looks so good. I mean, wow. It looks really great. So, huge yes on the powder. I am loving this. Oh my gosh. Huge yes on the powder. And the foundation, also a huge yes. I may give this to somebody with lighter skin than me. But, you know, that was just me picking out the wrong thing. And then order in a different, little darker color. So, I really like it. So, yeah, that does it. All right, guys, don't forget to put in for the giveaway. And we are... Rude. And we are still small, so, you know, spread the word. Let's grow the makeup community to be a really fun, positive, just really great place to talk about all things makeup. All right, guys, that does it for today. I will talk to you down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.